Breaking news coming in from Uttar Pradesh. There's a fire which has been reported in Prayagraj, which is the venue for the Kumbh Mela. Fire has in fact broken out at one of the venues. Multiple tents in fact in the area have caught fire. And this is happening just a day ahead of the Kumbh Mela, which begins in Prayagraj from tomorrow. I'm joined by my colleague Mohit on the phone line. Mohit, please bring us the details.
Well, certainly, it seems that this fire broke out at around 12:30 p.m. and the authorities are trying to douse it. There have been dozen fire brigade vehicles that have been rushed to the spot. Now, this happens to be one of the akharas, and we can tell you about the magnitude, but nothing even comes close to the fact that these are akharas, lakhs and lakhs of pilgrims and coming in here, and they would be coming in throughout this. Now, it is expected that over 15 crore people are expected this time around for the Kumbh Mela here in Prayagraj, and something of this sort to actually happen. There is a lot of questions on the authorities, because the Kumbh essentially starts from tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. And right before that, less than 20, a certain fire breaking out. It's a major,
right,
entire state.
Mm-hmm.
Not just the state pilgrims who would be coming in here. The followers are not only from state, it's from across the country and across the globe, actually. It is likely that over 180 people from over 180 countries are expected here. So, a fire certainly raises a lot of questions.
Right, Mohit, any reports, although it's really early, of course, we are getting visuals also of the location over there, where people are, of course, trying to recover whatever items that they can from some of these tents which had caught fire. Any reports yet of any injuries?
The fact that the entire akhara where the fire broke out has been vacated at the moment, and that's certainly what has happened right now.
Okay, we will of course have to go back to our correspondent Mohit, who's getting us more details. He's there in Prayagraj. And what we can see, of course, is that administration, fire department officials, as well as several people, volunteers also, they're at these tents there in Prayagraj. This is, of course, the venue for the Kumbh Mela, which starts tomorrow. And as Mohit was pointing out, that this happening just a few hours ahead of the Mela opening for visitors tomorrow early in the morning. Technically, the Mela would have commenced from 4 a.m. in the morning. That is, of course, still on schedule, but there you can see that an unfortunate incident taking place just a day ahead of the Kumbh Mela beginning. Let us just hear some of the reactions we are getting on ground on this story.
दिगंबर अखाड़े में आग लगी है। किस तरीके से? अब ये पता नहीं कि कैसे आग लगी है। पूरा पंडाल जल गया? पूरा पंडाल जल गया। कुछ बचा कि अभी? बहुत लोगों का नुकसान बहुत हुआ। जैसे पहले लगा था वैसे चौगुना है। कितनी गाड़ी आ चुकी दमकल के समय? गाड़ियाँ कई तो नष्ट हो चुकी हैं। हाँ, सेना वगैरह भी आई है यहाँ पे? सेना भी कहाँ है, अब आई है सेना।
Right, so there you can hear one of the people there, of course, at the akhada where the fire broke out a short while back, giving a reaction of how many fire tenders had reached the spot, whether they had reached on time. And we were also hearing from our correspondent Mohit, who is in fact in Prayagraj.
बहुत नुकसान हुआ, कोई हताहत नहीं हुआ है, किसी को एक खरोच भी नहीं आया है। यह भगवान की कृपा। साधु के रहने की व्यवस्था जो टूटा है उसको कर दिया जाएगा, सब कर दिया जाएगा। पूरा पंडाल जल गया जी, पूरा जल गया है। यह देखिए, यह के व्यवस्था हम लोगों ने सोच के कि अभी से जैसे यही तो घटना है, इसको कोई न कहिए, यही तो दुर्घटना होते रहता है, तो यह कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है। सबसे बड़ा भगवान की कृपा ये है कि एक आदमी भी इसमें कोई चोटिल नहीं हुआ, कोई प्रकार के क्षति नहीं हुआ। यह भगवान की कृपा समझिए। कपड़ा रहता के क्या पूछते हैं हमारा? कपड़ा रहता कोई वस्तु नहीं है, सब सामान सब सुरक्षित है। जल्दी से जल्दी इसको बनवाया जाएगा अभी तत्काल।
यहाँ पर मनुष्य सुरक्षित है और सामान सब खत्म हो गया, पैसा सब। गाड़ियाँ जली, मेरी गाड़ी जली, आगे का पूरा खत्म हो चुका है। मैंने इंजन के साइड में पूरा बोनट वोनट जल गया, टायर टूट जल गया, आगे सामने लाल गाड़ी है और भी एक गाड़ी भी लगी है आग। अब चाबी अंदर ही था, हम लोग कपड़ा उतार के सोए थे उसी वक्त। अभी तो आप लोग कर लो कि कहाँ से उधर पीछे साइड से लगी, किसी ने सिगरेट पी करके पीछे कपड़ा में फेंका हो सकता है। नहीं कोई सिगरेट लेकर पीछे 12 बाई नाड़ी एकदम चिपक के लगा दिया।
ये कुछ नहीं कहा। महाराज जी अपना नाम बताइए।
तो महाराज जी कोई सिलेंडर आग नहीं, कोई चौका नहीं, कैसे लग सकता है?
सिलेंडर का लीक नहीं लगा सर कहीं?
कपड़ा में पकड़ा दिया,
अपने आप आग लग गया।
Right, so those were of course some of the people who were present at the tent and they are giving reactions on what they saw. I'm joined by my colleague Avni Raja. Avni, a very unfortunate incident taking place at Prayagraj at a venue related to Kumbh Mela and just happening a few hours before the Mela is officially to begin.
The Kumbh Mela is in fact slated to begin tomorrow, and this massive fire has broken out just one day before. We understand that multiple tents had been engulfed by the fire, and at this point, we just saw the evacuation and rescue operations are currently underway. But just to give you a sense, the Kumbh Mela is one of the largest, in fact it is the largest gathering of religious gathering that happens, and there are lakhs of people who actually congregate for the Kumbh Mela when it takes place from all around the globe. In fact, the security checks and all of that had in fact started long ago. In fact, Yogi Adityanath himself had visited to check out all the security preparations, everything, check that everything is in place. So this entire the process had started long ago, but now one day before we are seeing this fire really breaking out. We'll have to of course wait and find out as to what it is that really caused the fire and what they're going to do to ensure that this doesn't happen again, because it was very lucky that this happened one day before and not after the Kumbh Mela itself had started, because then lakhs of people would have started congregating and perhaps we might have seen a much worse scenario play out. So for now we'll have to wait for some more information to really come in, but this is really a wake-up call as far as the authorities are concerned, because they will now have to ensure that this kind of a thing does not happen again. Tanima.
Right, Avni, thank you so much for joining us with that update. We'll also see some of the reports we are getting on ground from Prayagraj.
We are currently standing here at Kumbh where a massive fire has already erupted at one of the Akhada premises. You can see the fire being spread right now. It is consuming and it is spreading like wildfire at the moment. The authorities are trying to ensure that the fire does not spread anymore, but it seems that they've been trying very efficiently. However, they have no idea as to how it exactly erupted. This fire actually began from the other end of this Akhada, but now it seems it has once again engulfed the entire Akhada of sorts. Fire tenders and police officers trying to vacate the entire area, but nothing is actually working right now. We've been given to understand that there were a couple of explosions. Most probably they were due to cylinders that exploded inside, which are kept inside the Akhadas. The fact of the matter is the exact cause of this fire is not yet known. However, the authorities, you see, are continuously running. They are trying to ensure that all the water hoses are connected. They're trying to douse the fire. You have senior police officers as well as members of the fire brigade here at the moment, and they're all trying to do one thing, that is to douse this fire. We have no idea as to how many people are still inside. The policemen have already gone inside trying to vacate the entire premises. You can see them working right now, working at length. Ambulances have been called. Small fire extinguishers have also been rushed in. These are mobile ones which are on top of various bikes that have also been rushed in. But right now, these are the scenes. These are the first visuals that we are showing you. This is the entire Kumbh area in one of the Akhadas that this has happened. The first priority of the police officers and the authorities is to ensure that it does not spread further. However, the strong winds are a major deterrent here.
This is our correspondent Mohit Sharma reporting from Prayagraj. What we can tell our viewers is that no casualties have been reported in the incident and the fire is under control right now.